If you have visited to our channel for the first time, make sure you click subscribe button and also make sure you click over the bell icon in order to be the first one to get notified for the latest videos. Hello guys, welcome to the channel once again. In this video, I'm going to tell you about must do those things after update, which is usually neglected by everyone. So the first step in order to clean the cache of your Android smartphone is to right jump into the setting. Then straightforward move to the storage. It will take a bit of time to load all the necessary information of apps and data, audio, other files and cache data as well. Then simply you have to click on the cache data in order to delete the space which is covering in your internal storage. And after it gets done, you will see new information of your storage. Now the second steps look like this. Now the next application all you have to install is Files by Google Go. This application might look very normal as like the other file explorers too, but let me tell you, it's not. It helps you to determine the covered area in your internal and SD card storage. You can simply select all unwanted items which are highly covering in all the data types of your storage. Using this application, you can remove them very conveniently. So I would highly recommend you to use this application because it just not only helps you to remove unwanted files, but as well as also tells you what kind of application you are not using from a long time, and by checking on them, you can remove those applications immediately. Now the third and final application is the very basic application which is based on Linux architecture. This application helps you to defrag the internal and external storage from your Android device. But I would highly recommend you to use this application only once a month or just only after the update process, because defragging your storage is not a good regular option for your device. So here was my very personal observations about what kind of steps you should follow after update to keep your device clean and safe to make it work in every condition. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to smash the like button for more tips, tricks and hacks. Subscribe my channel, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.